Okay, fine. I'm going to come clean. I have a secret. And that this course, this challenge, write your worst book ever, forget it. I am secretly, subliminally teaching you how to write your best book. But I kind of don't want you to tell you that because I don't want you to think that this is it now got difficult. It now, oh, now it's serious. Nope. That's why I'm telling you this just in case you have reservations like, why am I wasting my time on my worst book? And I'm here to tell you because it's not wasting time. Because this is a process, this is a muscle, this is practice. And we need to get through this first one, this terrible one, this bad one, the worst book ever, to get to that best book. So I'm going to be talking about techniques about how to do certain things, the writing, the style, the creating, how to get it out of you, how to think about your audience, how to think about uh, even marketing and sales, and how to talk about your book in public. Crazy, right? And you might think, why would I talk about my worst book ever in public? Don't worry, we'll get there. But I just want you to know, I guess it's not a secret anymore, but I am secretly showing you how to write a book, how to format it, how to get the manuscript, how to get an EPUB and a print ready file using one piece of software, get that up, how we can show you how to upload it onto distributors. In fact, we're going to get it onto one distributor. It doesn't go like public, but we're going to get it to a place where you can actually share it. So we are going to do a lot of real things, not jokey, oh, isn't this funny? We're writing the worst book ever. We're still doing that. But secretly, I'm teaching you how to write a book.